In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play music on Zoom by sharing your audio seamlessly. Whether you're hosting a virtual party or looking to enhance your presentation with background music, being able to share audio directly through Zoom can make a big difference. Let's dive into it. First, let's navigate to the Zoom application on your computer. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This handy shortcut opens up the Start menu where you can search for programs on your computer. Now, type Zoom into the search bar that appears. You should see the Zoom app pop up in the results. Simply click on it to open the application. Once Zoom is up and running, you'll need to start a new session. Look at the main dashboard of Zoom and click on New Meeting. If you're prompted, click Start to begin your meeting. This step is crucial because you need to be inside a meeting to access the necessary controls to share your audio. As your meeting begins, turn your attention to the bottom of the screen. This is where Zoom houses a number of its key features. You should see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on this. Apps will open up additional features and integrations you can utilize within Zoom. On the right panel that appears, you'll find various options. Here, you need to look for Music. Now, selecting the Music option will open up another layer of controls dedicated to audio sharing. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options, as they are important for your audio sharing experience. Next, it's time to choose the music you'd like to play. When you select the Music option, you'll be given the opportunity to browse your library or choose from available music sources. Make your selection based on what you think fits the occasion best. And that's it. These simple steps will let you share your music during a Zoom meeting, making your experience more engaging and lively. Remember, this is a great tool not just for fun gatherings, but also for professional settings where music can help set the tone or aid in presentations. With these clear steps, you should now be able to provide a richer experience for everyone involved in your Zoom meetings. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming!